Albright with AVNation at Infocomm 2018 with Kevin Main from Torus Power. Welcome, sir.
Thanks, Tim. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
So what are we going to talk about?
We're going to talk about power, baby.
Right. You guys are back at Infocomm for the first time in a couple of years.
We are.
You are not the only company that we traditionally will have seen at CEDIA. Obviously, we've seen it at ISE, but ISE is a resi and commercial show. Talk about for a second about what was the thinking behind coming back to this space, which traditionally is commercial, but there's an awful lot of folks that we're going to see at CEDIA as well.
That's right, and we're seeing a lot of crossover with our typical dealers from the CI space, being into the commercial space now, or doing jobs in both. Yeah. So it's really been for us a need to be back into this side of the industry. We have a lot of solutions that are really geared towards larger projects like studios, whether they're recording studios, broadcast studios, or house of worship market. So we really do stuff in the commercial market anyway. And we've been away for a few years, so it was time to come back and reestablish ourselves here. And it's been a good show.
Explain to somebody who's not familiar with maybe the electrical part of doing AV. If something, let's say I'm building a home theater, right? I think it's one of the things that we talked about at ISE, right. Big power supply and conditioning. Is that something that I can take and put into, let's say, a house of worship, or maybe a commercial office environment, or is there different considerations and so you need a different product?
No, it's really the same product. I mean, you're dealing with the same problems and the same issues on the voltage line. The equipment that people are putting into the jobs is sensitive equipment. There's a lot of microprocessors, you're dealing with power, everything these guys are putting in plugs into the wall. So you really need to start with the right foundation for power to make sure that the job is, has the right performance and also reliability. A lot of people don't realize that power really extends to the overall system reliability. A lot of the problems, a lot of the failures that happen to products within the whole install, yeah, they can happen because of power rather than the product itself failing. And that's something that we spend a lot of time dealing with to make sure that the application is going to be right, the job is going to end up right, and the power is going to be stable and really high quality, low noise, and everything you need to have a good job.
All right, you are also showing something called the Power Block.
We are. It's a new product that we're just introducing now into the marketplace. Smaller solution, so we're bringing the toroidal isolation solution that we're renowned for into a smaller box or a smaller application. So for those who don't know, Torus Power, everything that we make uses an isolation transformer to provide the best power foundation. So in the case of the Power Block, we've sized it down into two models, 5 amp and two 5 amp transformers, but still using the same technology, just for smaller applications, more specialized applications.
Very good. So, if somebody wants to get a hold of Torus Power or find out more, how do they do that?
On the web, it's at toruspower.com, and Facebook or Twitter at Torus Power.
All right, very good. Kevin Main from Torus Power. My name is Tim Albright. For more information about us and more videos from Infocomm 2018, go by the website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.